Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Malachi Rowe, where we look at Malachi perspective. Today we are going to do a review or a description, or some person may say opening a package bought online. This package contains a camera that I will be using with some of my blogs or videos. Again, if it's the first time you are joining, ensure that you subscribe. Watch all the videos that are on the respective playlist. Give a thumbs up, man, and drop a comment. So we are going to look at the product. So this is the product that I would have purchased. Mentioned earlier, come in one of these fancy Amazon boxes. See Prime there. I think it has some, I'm not sure if it's Lords of the Ring. See it there, some of the ring. I think it's the Lords of the Ring. So I'm going to start the process of opening it. And at the custom they have opened the box already, and they would have sealed it back. So they have sealed it. That's why I'm going to use a knife to speed up the process of opening the box. They have cut it, and I'm looking to see exactly where they have made their cut. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to open the box. So as soon as I open the box, I will continue. The box is now open. I have cut all the tapes. So we're going to open the box and see what is on the inside. Start seeing the picture of a camera. So it's a digital camera, so it comes in a nice protective box, and the camera is on the inside, and I take it out and place it where it can be. Comes with a SD card, right? But this one was purchased additionally, 128 gigabyte. So let me put the box over there and let us start the process. I may have to use the knife again to open. Not all. Moving that cover. Let me turn it around. Moving that cover. There it goes. And we're looking inside the box. Inside the box, there's a case. Nice and sturdy case. We want to open the case also. I'm trying to maneuver this. Case, and I'm going to open. So in the case, it seems like the camera is inside of the case. So we'll get back to that. Let us continue to look in the box. In the box we have manual. Just make sure. Oh, not a manual. It's a message from the service team, right? And then there's a barcode there, a code that we can scan. We'll get back to that. There's another box here. Get this one up. I'm gonna check and see what is in it. Another area. Oh, this is the manual. That would have been the manual. So the boxes, put them one side. So we have the manual, we have the the camera case. Let us look inside this box. Inside the box with this camera, there should be 2 batteries. So that's part of the charger. We're taking them out one at a time. 2 little boxes, and I think these are batteries. And it comes with an SD card. So there's the SD card that it comes with. Put that down also. Continue to look at what. And it comes with some 2 camera lens that can go. So it has 2. So it has a macro and it has a wide. And you can see them. It has a macro. And it has the wide angle. So it's 2 cameras that can be, and then the cover is there. So let us put those there. Still with the box. Put the charger head there. Those seems to be batteries. This is a cable to go with it. Put the box some more out. And there's a strap. So this strap can go with the, I think it's for the camera. We'll investigate. Here we have, I'm not sure what this is, but we can investigate too. Inside this little bag, we have, oh, and this is the charging port for the batteries. So in the box, these are what we have in the box. But where's the camera, one may ask? Camera should be in this pouch, and I've started the process of, and it's a compact DSLR camera. And there it is, nicely strapped down. Yes, I have to give them the props for protecting the camera. There is our camera. So our camera, 4K camera. There it is. So these are all that I got. 2 batteries. Let us pull and see. I'll pull one of the battery. We need to see exactly what it looks like. There's the battery. There's 2 of them. I won't pull the other. There are 2 batteries. And then there's a charger. So the camera, let us look at the camera. We investigated some more. One of the main thing I want would have been that area at the bottom, so I can screw on my tripod. And all the other little features. So that's a camera. It has a macro lens again. And a number of manuals. These are basically manually operated. Let me get a little more light. Right, manually operated. Let us look, and we have the power button, perspective as camera. Up here for addition of our light or speaker, and made in China. What else can we find on this camera? We have to go in to find serial number. But again, it's Wi-Fi friendly. There's a flash there at the front and a whole lot of other features. So this is the camera part for external mic. That's very good. And then there's a little hole there for the strap. So I could use it just as is. Right? Nice camera. Again, this piece can be flipped like a camcorder. So you can use it, a camcorder. So I think it's a nice product, nice starter camera. The good thing, it becomes the additional camera, because this camera that I'm using is my cell phone, and to have this is a plus. This is the camera. Weighs about 1.43 pounds. Very good camera. But the main feature with this camera is that it have stabilization. That is very important, image stabilization. So in another video, I will show exactly how I'm operating the camera. But I pay 119 USD for it, and the buy can also attract a discount if you apply a $20 coupon. So I would have got it a little cheaper than the 119, about $99. So this is an addition to my video or my content creation kit. Now I need to get some other pieces of gadgets like a gimbal and a drone. Then thanks for watching. This is opening my camera. I open my product box. This is a compact DSLR camera. Yet to check the quality of the picture or the video.